Hi, I'm Meg Atterbury, and welcome to your 2-minute tour of the top slot canyons in Utah that don't require any special gear. Canyoneering is one of my favorite pastimes, but it can be an intimidating outdoor activity to get into. These 3 slot canyons are incredibly beautiful, but they don't require you to have any ropes or harnesses. You will have to use your hands and scramble in a few sections, but they are great beginner options for exploring these unique landscapes. Before we jump in, though, it's really important to remember that slot canyons have extreme flash flood hazards. Never enter a slot canyon if there's rain in the forecast. You can die. You will want to check the weather up canyon as well, since rain from miles away can cause flash flooding on a sunny canyon. See the show notes for more safety info. First up is my all-time favorite Little Wild Horse Canyon in the San Rafael Swell. This is an 8.1 mile canyon that's best done as a loop with nearby Bell Canyon because going in the reverse direction means you'll be swimming against most hikers. There is over 0.75 miles of narrow slot that is just magical. You'll need to scramble a bit, and there's a fair amount of sand walking here, so come prepared. You'll also want an early start. Think being at the trailhead by 7 a.m. because this place is packed spring through fall. Winter is a great time to go if you want to have the place to yourself. Wire Pass to Buckskin Gulch is another incredible slot canyon to check out. It's the longest slot canyon system in the world. This canyon is technically in Arizona, but it's just over the border, so I included it here. You'll find the trailhead down House Valley Rock Road between Page, Arizona and Kanab, Utah. You'll need a permit, $5 per person and dog, and permits are unlimited, but snag yours in advance because cell service at the trailhead is horrible. There is one climbing section in Wire Pass. There may be a ladder, but it recently got washed away from a flash flood. You'll join up with Buckskin Gulch, and you can head in either direction to explore the slots. Water does tend to pool here. Bring waterproof footwear or a packable towel to dry your feet. At over 13 miles long, you can hike for as long as you want. Just remember that if you're doing the full length of Buckskin, you'll need to shuttle cars or arrange a ride. Next up is Spooky and Peekaboo Gulch near Escalante. You'll travel down a bumpy dirt road to reach the trailhead to this absolute classic. This Utah slot canyon is the toughest on this list. Expect to climb up about 10 feet to get into Peekaboo Gulch, and you want to carry a GPS in order to reach the Spooky Slot Canyon. Spooky Slot Canyon has a very narrow section where you'll need to go sideways with your bag off of your back in order to fit. There is also a really steep section with a rope to get down into the bowels of the canyon. These are absolutely one-way canyons, so go up Peekaboo and down Spooky. For more info, including in-depth guides to reach each of these amazing slot canyons, be sure to check out the show notes down below. If you like this video, take the subscribe button on an adventure with you, and for more amazing outdoor adventures, including hidden hikes in the American Southwest, Colorado, and Lake Tahoe, check out my blog, foxintheforest.net. Happy adventuring. Bye.
Red ball. Like Jesus.
This was just to get the door open. Looks like someone took a giant diarrhea.
That's just